Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. So today we'll be learning about chapter number 37, Made in India. India is a land rich in art and culture. It is not only famous for various handicrafts but also for the production of various goods which are also exported to countries outside India. Read the clues given below and write the name of the correct city state. First question is, this Indian city is famous for its locks. Name the city, that is Aligarh. Aligarh. If you were standing at Charminar and buying a pearl necklace, in which city would you be? Hyderabad. Your aunt has written from her hometown and presented your mother with a chicken embroidery sari. Name her hometown, that is Lucknow. This state is famous for its beautiful Madhubani paintings. Which state are we talking about? Fourth is Bihar. If your father was buying pipli work from a shop in Puri, in which Indian state would he be? That is Odisha. Sixth, this city in Rajasthan is famous for its blue pottery. Name the city, that is Jaipur. This city in UP is famous for its glassware and bangles. Which city are we talking about? That is Ferozabad. Eighth, if you were traveling by train and your father got down at the station to buy petha, which city had the train reached? That is Agra. Now we'll go to chapter number 38. Below are the names of same famous personalities of India who were first in their respective fields. Match the personalities to their achievements. First President of India, that is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First man to climb Mount Everest, that is D. Tenzing Norgay. Third, first Nobel Prize winner, C. Rabindranath Tagore. Fourth, first pilot of India, that is Wright brothers. Fourth, first pilot of India, that is E. J.R.D. Tata. Fifth, first Indian cosmonaut, that is fifth is G, that is Rakesh Sharma. Sixth, first Indian cricketer to score a century in Test cricket. Sixth is answer H, that is Lala Amarnath. Seventh, first woman IPS officer. Seventh is A. Kiran Bedi. Eighth, first woman to climb Mount Everest. Eighth, that is I. Bachendri Pal. Ninth, first woman prime minister, that is J. Indira Gandhi. First woman president. 10th, F, that is Pratibha Patil. Now we'll go to the chapter 39, Dances of India. Read some interesting facts about classical dance of India. Bharatanatyam is an ancient classical dance style performed in the Hindu temples of Tamil Nadu. The name comes from the three basic concepts: bhava, expression; raga, music; and tal, rhythm. So, the answer for this is this is only the facts that we are going to read out. The word Kathak comes from the word Katha, which means storyteller. Katha focuses more one footwork as compared to the hard movements in Bharatanatyam. This dance form is more popular in North India. Now, Odissi dance comes from the state of Odisha in eastern India. Odisha dance deals largely with the love theme of Radha and Krishna. Manipuri dance comes from Manipur, a state in northeastern India. The dance is a medium of worship and enjoyment. Movements of body, feet, and facial expression in Manipuri dance are gentle. Kathakali comes from the Indian state of Kerala. The word Kathakali means story play. The performances are based on incidents of Mahabharata and Ramayana. It is combination of drama, dance, music and ritual. Now we go to the chapter number 40. Who am I? Persons who are outstanding performance or who achieve great heights in their career are called stars. Read the clues given below and recognize these people. If you guess the name correctly in red zone, you get 15 points. In yellow zone, 10 points. And green zone, 5 points. Okay. The first one is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Second answer is M.F. Hussain. Third answer is Swami Vivekanand. Fourth answer is Jamshedji Nurswanji. Tata. Write down the fourth answer, Swami Vivekanand. Okay, sorry. The fifth answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Sixth answer is I was a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. The sixth is Pranab Mukherjee. Seventh, I was the first batsman to have crossed the landmark of 14,000 runs in ODIs. That is Sachin Tendulkar. Eighth, I am a noted Indian economist. That is Amartya Sen. Now we go to the chapter number 41, Metro Mania. Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are the four metropolitan cities of India. Here are some words relating to these metro cities. Place each word under the city to which it is related. First one is Delhi. Must visit India Gate, Lotus Temple, Mughal Gardens, Lal Killa. Second, airport languages are in airport is Indira Gandhi Airport. Languages Hindi, Punjabi and Urdu. Second is Mumbai. Must visit right places now: Chowpatty, Marine Drive, Juhu Beach, Gateway of India. Airport is Santa Cruz Airport. Language known as Marathi. Third, Kolkata. Must visit Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum, Birla Planetarium, Zoological Gardens. Airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Language is Bengali. Fifth, Chennai. Must visit Marina Beach, Fort St. George Fort, Airport Meenambakkam Airport, and language is Tamil. Chapter number 42, Savor the Flavor. Indians are well known to use spices in almost all their food preparations. India is a leading producer of spices and produces about 24 lakh tons of different spices. Read the clues below and identify the spices. First one is key ingredient used in toothpaste, that is clove. Second, used to flavor rice dishes and curries, that is bay leaf. Third, used to season soups and salads, that is black pepper. Fourth, common Indian household spices, that is cumin. Fifth, used to flavor tea and sweet dishes, cardamom. Used as a mouth freshener, that is fennel. 7. Grows underground, has medicinal values, that is ginger. A rich flavoring agent which imparts yellow color, that is saffron. 9. Used to garnish food dishes, that is coriander. Chapter 43. Kings and Queens. In ancient times, India was ruled by kings and queens. The names of such people are hidden in the crossword. Use the clues to figure out their names. First, we'll write the question answers. Then, that answers will have to that are hidden in this grid, and then that you have to find it out. The king who gave up war after the war of Kalinga, that is Ashoka. Barbar's eldest son who ascended the throne of the age of 23, that is Humayun. Third, the greatest of Mughal emperors who introduced the Deen-e-Ilahi religion, that is Akbar. Fourth, the first of the great Mughal emperors of India, Babur. Fifth, the first woman to sit down on the throne of Delhi, Razia. Sixth, the king who had a capital at Thaneshwar, Harsha. Seven, the real name of Rani of Jhansi, that is Lakshmi Bai. The king who built the Taj Mahal at Agra, that is Shah Jahan. That all these answers you have to find out this in this grid. Okay. This देखो first, second answer Humayun. First answer Ashoka. Okay. Lakshmi Bai. तो आपको ढूंढना है and then you have to search for it. Chapter 44. That is famous sites of India. Use the clues given below to identify the following famous sites. First is located in Srinagar. It is one of the main attractions of tourists in Kashmir. That is Dal Lake. Second, this cave temple is located about 150 km from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. Second is Amarnath. Third, site of the most extensive Buddhist remains in India, located 45 km from Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Third is Sanchi Stupa. Fourth, located in Bijapur, it is the largest dome of the world, that is Gol Gumbad. Fifth, in this 205 feet world famous temple is located in Puri, that is Jagannath Temple. Sixth, this is the gateway of the Fatehpur Sikri, which was built by Akbar the Great. The sixth is Buland Darwaza. The hashtag InfoScoop, dancing expressions Kathakali. So Kathakali is an important Indian dance form that originated in the southern Indian state of Kerala. The name Kathakali is made up of two words. Katha means story and Kali means dance. It is a combination of dance, music and acting and dramatizes stories mostly adapted from Indian epics like Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Kathakali is the harmonious combination of 5 forms of fine art. Okay, the first is literature, Sahityam. Second is music, Sangeetam. Painting, Chittaram. Acting, Natyam. And dance, Nirtam. Kathakali actor uses immense concentration, skill and physical stamina gained from training based on Kalari Payattu, the ancient martial art of Kerala, to prepare for the demanding role of a Kathakali actor. Drummers, singers, makeup artists and costume designers complete the group of highly trained specialists to present a Kathakali performance. The characters in Kathakali performs are broadly divided into Sattvika, Rajasika and Tamasika types. The costumes and makeup are designed so as to give a superhuman effect. The dancing expressions of the artist along with the beautiful costumes make it a visual treat for the viewers. Hashtag Q&A Express. So first is name the explorer who first discovered a passage from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. The answer is Ferdinand Magellan. Second is after crossing the Indian Ocean, where did Vasco da Gama first arrive in India? Second is Calcutta. Third, which country is often called the land of thunder dragon? Third is China. Fourth, chrysanthemum is the national emblem of which country? Fourth is Japan. Who is considered the chief architect of the Eiffel Tower? Fifth is Gustave Eiffel. Sixth, which Indian state is famous for its Madhubani paintings? That is Bihar. Seventh, name the most famous disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa who delivered a famous speech at the Chicago Conference of the World Religions. Seventh answer is Swami Vivekanand. Name Babur's eldest son who ascended the throne at the age of 23, that is Humayun. Which famous monument from the gateway of the Fatehpur Sikri is Buland Darwaza? 10th, name the ancient martial art of Kerala that Kathakali dancers practice to build physical stamina, that is Kalari Paitu.